There was another article on that same website talking about, let's see, it's by Peter Suderman, I believe that is. And he was talking about Scott Walker, and even though he survived a recall vote, things aren't as rosy as you would think. Scott Walker was asked about Obamacare. He replied he thought guaranteed issue, and that's a rule which requires health insurers to sell to all comers and is a key part of Obamacare. Scott Walker thought that was a good thing at the state level. He also said that states should consider the possibility of imposing a health insurance mandate. Walker said it was possible to keep guaranteed issue in which patients are guaranteed the ability to purchase coverage, but without a national requirement that Americans maintain health insurance. And certainly not a federal mandate, Walker said. I think those are debates people can have at their state level. But Walker's comments also provide that another reminder that the basic shape of Obamacare, which is controls on the insurance market, mandatory purchase of insurance, and subsidies for private insurance delivered through government-run exchanges, all of those were developed by Republicans and passed as romney-care by the party's presidential nominee, or presumptive nominee right now. And they show that GOP officials, a number of whom have spent the last month or so trying to reassure people that, of course, they don't want to throw out the good parts of Obamacare, they haven't moved beyond those ideas except to oppose President Obama's federal version of them. So, time and again, as I've stated on this radio show, neither the Democrats nor the Republicans want to give up government control of your life. At least the Democrats will halfway admit to that fact. But the Republicans continue to rail against big government unless it is doing their bidding. Then all of a sudden, it's not such a bad thing to have around. That is why you, the people out there in this listening audience, need to stay on top of what these people are doing in Washington. Now, for my part, I will continue to report on it as much as I can, but it is practically impossible to tell you everything they're trying to do, mainly because I have just 1 hour on this show. And we've also got some stuff on the internet, but still, it's just so much going on that the answer is for you to educate yourself and keep reminding these elected people they work for you, and you are not happy with their performance. And even better, work to defeat those who are working to take away your freedom and liberty. So always keep that in mind.